Everyone loves corn on the cob or grilled corn in their own version. I'm sharing with you my version of the corn on the cob with a jalapeno sauce. And now I'm going to grill the jalapeno chilies. I've got 3 chilies. So while my chilies are cooling, I'm going to chop my coriander, just lightly. So I'm going to add this to my mixie jar. So along with that, I'm going to add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, which is already crushed. And now a tablespoon of lemon juice. And about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Along with that, half a teaspoon of pepper. And a teaspoon of salt. So now I'm going to peel off my chilies and just roughly chop the peppers. And now I'm going to add this into the mixie. Give it a few pulses in the blender. And now my sauce is ready. All I have to do is drizzle on top of my 2 corns. Just some extra salt, squeeze of lime, and some added pepper. So we generally have corn outside the usual way, but this is a healthier twist you can make at home. It's spicier and it's colorful too. Don't forget to share, like, and comment on this video and subscribe to India Food Network. Bye.